it leaves the material, and how it prints. Yes, how it prints layer by layer, layer by layer, and that's why you can see all the layers here. Can you see the layers? So actually it started from the down, and if you observe carefully,
In this also layers.
yes, all layers you can see, right? So you can think about it. It started from very down, and then layer by layer, layer by layer, it completed the model like this.